Tel Aviv is one of the great capitals of the world. And why should you come and visit? Because it's got beautiful sandy beaches, it's full of colour, and the food is magnificent. And there is just so much to do here. So let's take a look around at Tel Aviv. And if you'd have thought Scooby-Doo had parked his car up here, no, this is the information centre, right on the beach. Morning.
Morning.
Do you have a map of the area?
Yes, yeah, sure.
Oh, thank you. Could I take one?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Tel Aviv isn't just famous for its incredible nightlife and its fantastic cuisine. It's also famous for its amazing 13 beaches, which stretch 14 kilometres down the western side of the city. Now, along these beaches, you can find every single water sport that you could ever dream of. There are surf schools everywhere, teaching hundreds of people to surf every single day. You can also go windsurfing, sailing and canoeing and paddleboarding. Whatever you want, it's right here in Tel Aviv. The boardwalk above Jerusalem and Gordon Beach is around 2.5 kilometres long. It takes the average person around 35 minutes to walk from one end to the other. It's used by joggers, cyclists, runners and skateboarders. I think it's pretty safe to say that Tel Aviv is a true hub of fitness. There's no shortage of people taking daily exercise here, from cycling to yoga and running on the promenade and in the gardens. It seems that everybody here has fun and wants to keep fit and healthy. And if swimming in the sea isn't for you, on Gordon Beach there is an Olympic-sized swimming pool. It is of course filled with salt water and comes at an extra charge of around 69 to 79 shekels a day, or you can do 700 shekels for a 10-day pass. One thing to take into account if you are visiting Tel Aviv is the fact that the food and drink here are incredibly expensive. There is nothing here called a quick, cheap snack. And that doesn't matter if you're eating from a street vendor or a restaurant. The prices are astronomical. I lived in London for 26 years and the prices are way higher than London. What I will say though is the food is fantastic, so it doesn't matter where you get food from, you will never be disappointed. The only thing that's really disappointed me about Tel Aviv has been the customer service. If you're European, don't think that you're going to get that fantastic customer service that you get in somewhere like, let's say, Italy. It's not going to happen. And if you're American, then you're going to be really disappointed, because we all know your customer service is the best in the world. And out of everywhere that I've travelled, I would probably put that Tel Aviv's is the worst that I've ever had. But the food is great, the drink is great, the beaches are great, and everything is fantastic about Tel Aviv, apart from the customer service.